Hello, warriors. This is Dr. David Miller. After the age of 40, many men tell me this. My body feels like a machine that hasn't been started in years. Energy is low, blood doesn't flow. Like before, nerves are slower, and endurance is fading. But here's the good news. You can reignite your flame as a man in just 6 to 8 minutes a day. In my last video, I shared the 5 golden fruits: watermelon, kiwi, pomegranate, banana, and blueberries. These are your inner force, fueling the body to rebuild itself. But listen carefully. Nutrition alone is like filling the gas tank, without turning on the engine. Today, I'll share with you the outer force, 5 golden points on your body, the ignition buttons that awaken your system. And let me tell you a true story. Mark, 46 years old, an engineer from Texas. He came to me and said, "Doctor, I exercise, I eat clean, but my body still feels sluggish. My endurance and focus are slipping away." I guided Mark through the system of inner force plus outer force, and after 3 weeks, he came back with a big smile and said, "Doc, I feel 10 years younger. I'm sharper at work, and when I come home, I still have energy for my family." Mark's story is not rare. It proves that with the right activation, men over 40 can truly come back to life. First, the great stream point, right behind your inner ankle bone. In Eastern medicine, this point is the root of vitality. By pressing it daily, you're not just charging your battery, you're maintaining the whole system. I had one patient who practiced this for 2 weeks. His back pain dropped, his sleep improved, and his stamina came back strong. And when you combine this with bananas rich in potassium and kiwis full of vitamin C, the effect multiplies. Now, Moni, let's move deeper to the pelvic groove. This is the silent corridor of your inner energy, a space between power and control. Most people never feel it, but once awakened, it becomes the switch that balances tension and release. Place one hand on your lower abdomen and the other on your lower back. Breathe in. Feel the 2 points connect. As you exhale, imagine a current of warmth flowing gently between your palms, front to back to front, like a quiet wave inside. This simple awareness builds stability from within. It anchors your breath, steadies your focus, and strengthens the root of your vitality. Remember, control isn't about holding tight. It's about flow, rhythm, awareness. When the pelvic groove is alive, energy no longer leaks. It circulates. It nourishes. It becomes harmony in motion. So take your time. Move slowly. This is the art of mastering your inner rhythm. Now let's move to the inner gate, Niguan. This is where emotion meets breath, where balance begins to return. Right here, 2 fingers above the wrist crease, between the tendons that guide your movement. Most people never feel this point, but once awakened, it calms the storm inside, steadying the pulse of both heart and mind. Place your thumb gently here. Press, not to control, but to connect. Breathe in slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your heartbeat begin to slow, your thoughts soften, your focus coming home. If you sense tension in your chest, hold this point for 10 seconds longer. A gentle warmth will rise. That's your nervous system learning peace. You can pair this moment with a sip of ginger tea or even a piece of dark chocolate. Both open the heart and steady your flow. Remember, this isn't about effort. It's about awareness. Each breath, each press reminds your body that calm is already within you. Now, let's move to the second point, the perineum. This is the hidden foundation of your strength, a small zone right between the base and the tailbone. Gently press and hold with 2 fingers. Make slow, mindful circles for 2 to 3 minutes. This simple move activates the deep pelvic floor muscles, the ones that support circulation, stability, and control. Think of it as tightening the core from the inside out. It strengthens your base, improves blood flow, and helps your body hold energy instead of losing it. You can combine this with light Kegel contractions, the same motion you use to stop the flow of urine. Over time, you'll notice more stability, better control, and a calm, grounded power that stays with you all day. It's not about tension, it's about connection between breath, body, and focus. There's one last point, the corona ridge. Years ago, I worked with a man in his 50s. He told me, I thought I had lost all sensitivity, but it wasn't gone. It was simply asleep. You see, this ridge, right where the head meets the shaft, holds thousands of tiny nerve endings. They're like quiet messengers waiting to reconnect. I showed him something simple. Just hold the ridge gently between your thumb and forefinger. Press until you feel warmth. Then release. 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. Within days, his words changed. He said, "It's like my body remembered how to feel again." And that's the truth. This isn't just about blood flow. It's about reawakening the signal between your mind and body. When you breathe deeply, when you move with awareness, you're teaching your body to listen again. Combine this with nature's allies, blueberries, kiwi, and deep breathing. They protect your nerves, sharpen your focus, and let energy move freely without resistance. So take a moment, be present. This is where power meets precision and sensitivity becomes strength. That's the thing about your body. It remembers everything even when your mind forgets. So don't just watch. Do one small thing for it today. Follow this channel, and let's keep learning how to heal from the inside out.